If you need to change the duration of multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a fast batch timing adjustment method that saves a huge amount of time, whether you're editing video clips or setting a consistent length for still images. This is especially useful when you want everything to line up cleanly on the timeline without manually resizing each clip one by one. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the timeline where your clips are placed. If you want to change the duration of several clips at once, the first method is to select them directly on the timeline. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over a group of clips to highlight them together. Another option is to hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each clip individually if they are not next to each other. Once the clips are selected, you're ready for the duration change. Now use the Change Duration shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and D. On Mac, press Command and D. This opens the duration entry box, which is where you can type the new length for the selected clips. This is the quickest way to batch adjust timing without opening extra menus or making manual edits. Next, enter the exact time you want. For example, if you type 0500, that will set the clip length to 5 seconds. You can use this method to make clips shorter, longer, or to give every selected clip the same duration. After typing in the new value, press Enter to apply the change. DaVinci Resolve will instantly snap all of the selected clips to the new length at once. That means no more adjusting each clip separately and no more wasting time on repetitive edits. This is especially helpful when you're working on fast-paced edits, photo slideshows, social media content, or any project where consistent timing matters. If you have several clips that need to match a specific rhythm, this method makes the process much smoother and more efficient. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.